Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find trending music and trending songs on TikTok. We all know that using trending songs in making your videos on TikTok is one way you can use to grow your TikTok account because TikTok is music driven. TikTok app was first of all a music app that was used to promote music before it was changed to a video app. So using trending song on TikTok is one way you can use to blow your account, your followers, likes and engagement and all that is. So guys, if you want to find trending music that will enable you to go viral on TikTok, then make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you guys two easy methods that you can use to find trending music, trending sound, trending songs on TikTok. The second method I'm going to be giving in this video is the best, and that's what I recommend for everyone, so make sure you watch it. So guys, the first method requires you to download an external app which is called vidIQ Viral Trending Songs. So what you have to do is to go over to your Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, go over to your App Store, then you search for vidIQ Viral Trending Songs. Search for it. So guys, you can see it there. Let me tap on it so that you see the logo of the app. This is it. So guys, you can see I've already downloaded this app into my phone. I don't need to do it the second time. So guys, all you have to do is to download and install this app into your phone, and you're on your way to using trending sounds on TikTok. So guys, let me go ahead to open the app. So guys, this is what the interface of this app looks like. This app helps you to track trending music and sounds popular on TikTok so that you won't struggle to gain followers. This vidIQ app uses AI to help creators like you around the world to find, discover and predict the sounds and songs on TikTok that are going viral. This app analyzes millions of TikTok videos around the world to understand user habits and predict what will be popular in the next few days or in the next hour. With this app, you can discover trends of top influencers. Top influencers often know what sound or music is going to become popular. By tracking them using this app, you'll be able to jump on new emerging sounds and music and improve your chance of becoming a new big creator. So guys, using this app, you'll be able to find trending songs and sound by categories. You can be able to find trending song by your location. You can see over here, we have the United States, you have Brazil, you have Nigeria, you have every other country. So you can be able to find songs that are trending in all of these countries. You can also find trending songs by topic in case you're a comedian, you're a dancer, you're a video maker, you're a sports person, you're a lifestyle video creation, you're a food person, you're an auto person, a beauty person. So guys, there are so many niche that you can actually use to find trending song that will best suit your niche or your topic or the kind of video that you make on TikTok. And also you can find trending song using duration. Maybe if you're looking for a sound that is viral, that is from 0 to 15 seconds, you can also search for it here, or maybe 15 to 30 seconds or 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can also find trending songs that are that long. You can also find trending songs by tracking people. Just like I said earlier on, you can track top influencers and you'll be able to discover and find trending songs on TikTok. So guys, there is something I want you to take note of. This app, you'll be able to use it for free for a limited time. After that time expires, you have to pay a premium fee. The amount is actually small. You can actually pay for a year or a month so that you'll be able to find trending songs. So guys, let's go over to the second method. And this second method, you don't have to actually download any external app. All you have to do is to go to your browser, whether you're using Chrome browser, Opera Mini, Phoenix, whichever browser you're using, tap on it to open it. Then you search for what is called TikTok Creative Center. You search for it, TikTok Creative Center. When you search for it, the first option where you're going to see Creative Center, then you tap on it. You can see there. So guys, it's loading up. Oh, my internet connection is so slow. I'm sorry guys. Next time I'm going to make use of an internet connection that is stronger. So guys, once you open this site, this is what it's going to look like from top to bottom. You can see. So what you have to do now is to tap on trends, because we are looking for trending songs. So tap on trends. You can see it there, hot content. You tap on it. So guys, you can see it's telling us to browse what is trending now, and what we want to browse is trending song. As you can see, also you can narrow this to whichever country you are from. As you can see, I'm from Nigeria, that's why it's in Nigeria. You can choose to change it to whichever country that you want to change it to. You can also search in the country that you want to change it to. So guys, here we have so many options to actually search for. If you want to search for trending song, all you have to do is to tap on the song option. You can see it there. Let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now these are the trending songs in Nigeria for the last 7 days. You can also narrow it down to last 30 days or last 120 days. So guys, let me narrow it down to last 120 days. You can see the first one is Carry Me Go by Boy Spice. The second one is Available by Davido. Then the third one is Oja Piano by Kizzy. So these are the top trending songs in the last 120 days. So guys, this is how it works. You can also search for trending hashtags in case you're looking for a hashtag to use that will make your video go viral. You can also search as well. Let me tap on it. You can see we have different hashtags here. You can also narrow it down to your kind of industry, or if you're a dancer, you're a beauty and fashion person, you're a financial service person, food, games, health. You can see you can narrow it down over here so you get the latest and trending hashtags to use. You can also search for trending creators and also trending TikTok videos. Let's go to trending TikTok videos so we see the video that is actually doing the most on TikTok. So guys, this is how you find trending hashtags, trending TikTok song, trending TikTok creator, trending TikTok videos and the rest of it. And I believe you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.